Today we are going to see law of conservation of energy. Law of conservation of energy. It states that the total mechanical energy of a system of particles under the conservative forces. Very important. Here conservative forces is very important word. Conservative, the total mechanical energy of the system of particles under the conservative forces remains constant. This is the statement of law of conservation of energy, and for that we will consider a system of n particles of having m1, m2, m3 masses and having position vector r1, r2, r3. So we will write, consider a system of n particles of masses m1, m2, mn having position vectors r1, r2, rn and linear velocities v1, v2, vn respectively. Now this is the condition. This is any body and we are moving this body from A position to another position B. If the system is displaced from position A to position B, then the total work done by the forces external force we will consider here. We will consider both the forces, external force and internal forces. Forces are because of external and internal acting on the particles is given by, we are considering work done A to B is nothing but summation I is equal to 1 to n, number of particles are there, integrating from position A, it is displaced to position B, work is nothing but force into displacement. So Fi into dri bar. Now for the ith, we will consider only one for particle first, that is for ith particle. Fi, force is given by Fi is equal to mi, mass into acceleration. Acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity, and dri bar can be written as vi times dt. Position is nothing but velocity into time. Substituting these two in equation 1, this is equation this both equation over here. WAB is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n integration, the path is from A to B, it is mode mi into dvi upon dt into vi into dt. This dt will get cancelled. Summation I is equal to 1 to n A to B mi into vi into dvi. Now the integration will operate only on the v term. We can take mi outside. I is equal to 1 to n. We will get half mi vi square, and the limits are from a to b. This is half mv square. This is nothing but the kinetic energy. We will denote it by T B minus Ta, where capital T represents the kinetic energy. We obtain WAB, work done in moving the body from A to B. We got TB minus TA, equation 1. The external and internal forces both are conservative. Here we consider in the statement that the forces in the system of the particle are under the conservative forces. So are conservative, but as we already know, the sum of the internal forces of the particle is always the net sum of the internal forces is always equal to 0. So we will write, but the sum of all the internal forces on n particles system is 0, and for conservative force F bar is nothing but minus grad U, where U is the potential energy, where is potential energy. So this can be written as force due to external. This is I particle system, and because this is force is only because of the external force. There is no internal forces between the molecule, because the net resultant force of internal forces is equal to 0, as we already discussed, which is equal to 0 is equal to minus, this grad can be written as, this is a symbolic form of grad U. This is equal to minus I del Ui upon del Xi J del Ui upon del Yi plus K del Ui upon del Z I. This is for I particle system, where I cap, J cap and K cap is the unit vector. It gives the direction, and its magnitude is equal to 1. So total work done for n particle system WAB is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n. Body is displaced from A to B, hence the integration, minus del Ui upon, we will consider Ri cap dRi bar. this is equal to summation minus, we will take I is equal to 1 to n integration a to b. Here we will only remain with del u I, which is equal to, the integration of this will give minus a to b. This is equal to UA minus UB. Potential energy at A minus potential energy at B. This is equation number 2. Now equating equation 1 and 2, we get WAB, we know that is equal to TB minus TA is equal to UA minus UB. We will consider this part. TA plus UA is equal to TB plus UB. This is kinetic energy of A particle plus potential energy of A particle is equal to kinetic energy of B particle plus potential energy of B particle is nothing but total energy, and it is denoted by capital E, where capital E is the mechanical energy of the entire system. Thus, in a conservative force field, the total mechanical energy of a particle remains conserved. Because of this equation, in a conservative force field, the total mechanical energy of a particle remains conserved. Thank you.